Hey, my name's James Nicholson, and if you're watching this video, you want to know all about customer avatar checklists. I've got one of those here, and if you want to grab one of these, you can grab it in the description. I've got a link, and you can download this for free, right? And so, look, before we jump into this, I want to talk about an avatar checklist and everything you need to know about it, and basically what you use it for. But look, I'm going to assume something. If you're watching this video, that there's a high chance that if you want to know this kind of stuff, that you're a business owner, entrepreneur, marketer, someone looking to start a business, right? And so this YouTube channel is for you guys. It's going to really help you push your business forward. So while you're here, do hit the subscribe button and the bell notification. That's going to notify you of all my new content on growing a business, funding a business, and you really don't want to miss out on that stuff. And also, while you're here, make sure you like the video. So smash that like button on the video. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Now, let's look at this, right? So you're going to grab your copy in the description, right? But what is a customer avatar checklist? Well, first and foremost, the point of the checklist is to help you find your ideal customer. You see, I have a program called the Business Accelerator, and I've trained thousands of entrepreneurs and business owners just like you, right? And on that program, what I often find is where people are stuck is they will work with anybody, like any type of customer. And basically their only condition is that the person has got a pulse or a checkbook, right? And so what then happens is they start working with people that they just don't like. They don't like their style. Maybe that client's maybe someone that's really pushy. Maybe it's someone that haggles with you on price. And it really frustrates them. And they can have a moderately successful business doing that, but they're going to be exhausted, right? They're going to have low margins, and they're more likely to fail as a business owner. And we don't want to do that. You started a business because you want to be successful, you want to have fun, and you want to enjoy life that little bit more, right? And so to get more of our ideal customer, we need to really look at the customers that we've already had. Look at the last 10, right? Look at the last 10 customers you've had. Now, I guarantee you that 2 of those were better than the other 8, right? Meaning they paid you on time, didn't haggle on price. Maybe they went for your more expensive products or services. 2 of them out of 10, 20% are normally going to be better. And so if you're an existing business, we're going to look at what was the similarities between those 2, because there are similarities, right? There's going to be something about them that's going to be very similar. Now, if you're a startup, when you go through this, then you're going to have the best guess that you can. So you're going to have an educated guess, right? And let's have a look through and see what sort of stuff we need to be looking at when we're looking at the avatar here. So we're going to look at gender, right? You might work with male and female. However, they hang out in different places. And so we need to nail down which is your best customer, gender-wise. Normally there is one. And if there's not, and it's 50-50, then pick one or do 2 avatars. Just create 2 avatars. Because when males and females, they will hang out in different websites online. They'll be in different magazines that they read, right? They are different. And so we need to address that. And we need to speak to them in a different way, right? Age is important, so I want you to nail down an age range for your avatar. What's the ideal age of your customer? It isn't from 10 years old up to 90 years old, right? There is a certain age range that will spend more with you. My daughter is 20. My daughter Georgia, she's 20 years old, right? And she likes to get lots of beauty treatments. However, she doesn't spend a lot, right? So she will go and get nails and spend 20 quid, whereas my partner Katie will go and spend on nails and spend 50 quid, right? And so you would prefer to have more Katies, right? And so that's what you want to look at is, yeah, you can fill your salon for nails with Georgia's, spending 20 quid, or you can fill it with Katie's that spend 50 quid. And of course, you're going to make more money attracting the people that spend more with you. So think about the age range. Marital status is important as well, right? Are they single, married, divorced? Married people generally have more money, but single people are more likely to go to a bar or nightclub if you own that kind of business, right? Location is important as well. Even if you're in London, different boroughs of London will dictate on what type of product or service they buy significantly, right? And so that's important that you work that out. What's their lifestyle, the profession, the income that they've got? These are all things that we're going to go through when we fill in this sheet with you guys. And below, when you grab the sheet, there is also a training video to go along with that as well. What are their goals, their values, their fears, frustrations, and challenges? All these things are important. What do they like and dislike outside of business here? What keeps them up at night, right? If you can figure that out, that's really going to help you nail getting your ideal customer. What do they talk about at home? Books they read. That will help you with Facebook ads because you can target people that read the Ideal Home Show magazine or something along those lines, right? All of these questions on this sheet, which you're going to grab below, are very, very, very important. Magazines they read, blogs and websites that they read, the gurus that they follow. Do they follow Tony Robbins, Gok Wan? I don't know. Think about the gurus that they follow that might be showing that they're relevant to you as a customer. Conferences they attend, right? People that go to the Ideal Home Show will significantly spend more money on a house than someone that just looks on a website like Checkatrade or something like that. What stops them buying? You've got to consider that, right? Do they buy quickly, slowly? Does their partner stop them? Does their belief in you as a business owner stop them? That means you need to get more testimonials and case studies and all these wonderful things in front of them, right? How do they make decisions? Is it fast or slow? This is important that you get this stuff down. And what are their objections to your sale, right? All of this stuff matters, right? All of this stuff matters. And so I meet thousands of business owners every year who've never done this exercise, right? It takes 15 minutes to do this. And when you map out your ideal customer, your business will start to thrive because you're going to really attract people that you want to work with and you're going to repel those that you don't want to work with, right? And that's important. As much as you want to attract people, you want to repel people as well. The time wasters, the negative Nigels, the ones that are frustrating, you don't want those people working with you. So look, if you found this useful, then look, you're going to want to grab this sheet. You're going to want to go and watch the video training that I've made for you on this. And look, before you go, help me out. I want to get this out to more people. So please do smash the like button. Comment below. Let me know what your business is. I really want to get to know you guys and help you grow your business through this channel as well. And subscribe, because once you go on to the next page or the next video, then you'll forget to subscribe and you'll never see me again. And I've got a ton of information that I want to share with you. Now, before you go as well, I want to give you a free gift. So look, I can clearly tell you want to get this internet marketing stuff figured out. And I've written a book called Expert Mastery. And this book will give you a proven 5-step methodology, my Business Accelerator methodology. And it will tell you how you can use my methodology to get and keep customers, to turn cold website visitors into red hot buyers in a day. You see, you can learn things like Facebook ads, YouTube, Instagram, and all this stuff. But actually, you need to be able to convert people into buyers. So in the description is a link. I can give you a free copy of that book. It's a real physical book. So I want you to go ahead and do that now. Grab the book, grab the avatar checklist as well, and do all the other stuff. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. My name's James Nicholson. I'll see you guys soon. Stay blessed. Bye for now.